Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do smooth blur transition on Capcut. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open the Capcut app on your device. Next is to prepare your video clips with the desired audio. Ensure that your clips are synchronized with the beat. What you want to do next is to add a flash effect to your overlay. Head to the overlay section and select Stop Videos and then add a white overlay. Then zoom it in to match your clip's length. Click on the overlay again and navigate to the splice option. Within the splice option, click on overlay and adjust the opacity to 65%. Extend it to cover the entire video length. Next step is to copy this animation and apply it to each video clips, making necessary adjustments to match the clip length if needed. To add the oblique blur effect, go to Effects and search for Oblique Blur. Set the blur to 100 and rotation to 100. Gradually increase the blur from the start to the middle keyframe. Add the end keyframe and set the blur to 0. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now do smooth blur transition on Capcut. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.